Assalamualaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see aval ladoo.
Let us do this recipe. For that, take 2 cups aval, that is flattened rice, and grind it to a fine powder in a mixie. So it is well powdered. Now add 1 cup jaggery and 1 cup grated coconut. Now grind it in pulse so that everything gets mixed. Now transfer this to a plate and give a mix. Apply some ghee in your hands and make ladoos. Instant aval ladoo is ready. Try this recipe and eat healthy.
Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.